Hey friends, a lot of users have been asking about basic Edge browser shortcuts that one should remember. So I'll guide you through the best ones. Open Edge browser and let's say you opened a tab and then you opened another tab, but by chance you closed one of the tabs. Okay, I'll open one more. I'll open some news. Okay, now let's say I close this news. So how would I reopen any closed tab? Simply press Ctrl Shift plus T. Okay, this is one thing, and if you press Ctrl plus T, it will open a new blank tab. The next option is to press Ctrl plus W. So if you press Ctrl plus W, it will close the current tab like this. And to reopen it, Ctrl plus Shift plus T. And then you can open a new window using the command Ctrl plus N. Ctrl plus N for the new window. And lastly, Ctrl plus Shift plus N to open in private browsing. Ctrl plus Shift plus N. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.